Hello everybody, what's going on? Few big updates are coming from NIO Zen. NIO's family-focused sub-brand Onvo is taking its latest flagship, the Onvo L80, global. Just 3 months after its domestic debut in China, authorized dealer N Motors has officially begun marketing the 5-seat SUV in Armenia, marking the L80's very first market outside China. While Armenia might sound like an unexpected launchpad, it is deliberately strategic move. Onvo currently operates across selective international footprint nodes, including Armenia, Uzbekistan, and Costa Rica, by leveraging dealer partnership network like N Motors in Yerevan. NIO Group can aggressively test international consumer demand, clear global compliance pathway, and establish brand awareness without sinking heavy capital expenditure into upfront infrastructure or direct retail real estate. Looking at the product itself, the L80 brings serious value to the table. Built on NIO's Group Advanced NT 3.0 platform with a ultra-fast 900-volt architecture, the vehicle features an incredible 2,840 liters of total storage capacity, including a massive 240-liter front trunk, alongside up to 605 kilometers of CLTC range. Price starting at roughly 36,000 USD in China. The latest L80 gives mass market family buyers premium platform specs at fraction of the cost of legacy luxury EVs. Now, mainstream headline might point out that domestic L80 deliveries in China saw sequential pullback over the summer month, dropping from 6,000 units during its partial launch month in May to around 3,200 units in July. Critics will scream about domestic volume slowing down, but savvy investors know that early supply ramp adjustment and domestic delivery reallocation are standard operational growing pains for new vehicle launches. When you look at the macro picture for Onvo as an ecosystem, the bull thesis is alive and well. Onvo delivered 10,000 vehicles in July alone, marking a 70% jump year over year and securing its third consecutive month above key 10,000 unit threshold. More importantly, Onvo's flagship model, the L60, rebounded sharply to its best monthly delivery numbers in 8 months. This demonstrates that consumer demand for Onvo's core lineup remains strong and resilient. Furthermore, NIO Group's multi-tier global strategy is firing on all cylinders. While the core NIO brand holds down premium segment across Europe and the Middle East, the compact Firefly brand scales across European urban centers. Onvo is positioning perfectly to capture emerging market across Central Asia and Latin America before its planned European expansion in 2027. By testing the water with flexible dealers model, today New Group is minimizing risk while maximizing margin upside. As Neo expands its broader retail footprint, planning around 80 new multi-brand stores in the back half of this year, and as its fifth generation swap network continue to scale past over 120 million lifetime swaps, the long-term flying wheel for Neo Group is undeniable here. The market often overreacts to short-term monthly deliveries noise, but smart institutional money looks at structural execution. Neo isn't just selling cars in China. They are building a scalable multi-brand global EV ecosystem. That is the reason why I would say that buying opportunities like this don't stay hidden forever, and Neo stock continue to look like a high upside play for long-term investors. So prepare now. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you next one.